Hello everyone, my name is Yusrana Darmawan, and in this opportunity I want to tell you about the code program that I have made about the queue on the supermarket. So let's get to the program. Okay, so this is the program that I have made. So you can see I use 5 as the limit of the list or the people that can go to the cashier, and then this is I using struct function for the things that the customer buy, and then this is the code that I have made. This is the list of the queue, and then I use NQ and DQ for the order, and then for display I just give empty, and if there is the customer that hasn't reserved, so the list will show it in the display. And then this is the main program that I have made. So let's get to the example of the program. Okay, I will compile and run this program. So the first we're gonna input the customer that get into our list first. For example, I use my name, Joshua, and then I choose the menu, and then I use my name, Joshua, and then for the how many things that I have bought, so I just put 3, and then put the name of the things that I buy, for example like apple, and then mineral water, and for the third things is maybe okay. So and then I put in some other customers, so we can see the program run. Example, I use name Amos, and then how much the things that Amos buy, just 2. Like example, he's buying pepper and then salt, and then this is, you can see that Amos is getting to the line of the queue. And then for the third person I will choose Haikal, and then how many things that Haikal buy, I just input 4, like shampoo, and then soap, and then detergent, and then toothpaste. So we will try the third menu of this program, that is see the list of the line. So when we see, we got 3 people in the line, Joshua, Amos, and Haikal. So this is the example of queue program, because the first people come, the first people can be served. Okay, and then After that, we try to serve the first person, that is Joshua. And then this is using stack. This is the example of stack, because the things that Joshua's buy is in the first, the last things that had been mentioned is the first thing that be served at first. Okay, and then after that we can see the line again. So in the line we only have Amos and Haikal because Joshua is got be served, and then has done be served, and then we try to number 2, and then Amos is got be served. Okay, has been served, and then we see again the list, and then still Haikal, and then we serve Haikal. Okay, and then we see the list again. So in here we can see the list is empty because the people that getting in the line is have served all, and then after that we can get out from the program. So we can see the program is ended, and then all of the customer that be served has been served. Okay. Alright, so maybe that's all from me. The simple example and simple things that I can make to implementation that stop and queue. So leave the comment for me can evaluate myself, and then thank you for watching. See you on the next video.